let's talk about foam restoration. Most of your foam, when you take your skins off, are going to be collapsed down on the edges like this. And we're going to show you an easy way to bring the fluff back up into the edges of your foam, so when you put your new skins on, they actually feel the skin properly. We're going to be using our Pure Steam garment steamer, and we want to put it on the highest setting and get it up to temperature where it's actually steaming out of the nozzle. Once we have that up to temperature, we're going to take the head of the steamer and go right around the edges, nice and slow, pushing into the foam a little bit, get that steam into the edge of the foam, and it will not take long. The foam will start to reshape and fluff back up into its original format and original state before it was collapsed. So you'll want to run that steamer all around the edges, and we're going to show you in this video here how just seconds later your foam was actually coming back to its natural state. So you'll want to continue doing those edges all around any edge that has the foam that it's collapsed. Once you get all the edges done and your foam looks like this, you're ready to start putting your skin back on. Not all foam will restore like this one did. If your foam is really old, then you may need to look at replacing that foam. But this is worth a try to see if you can get some of the fluff back into your foam prior to putting your skins back on.